Hey folks, John here. Just trying out the Flip camcorder. I am trying this. I don't know how good this is. It wasn't very expensive. Less than $100 for this. Not even. So, I'm only got this so I could take it to a place without trapping my big ass camera. So I'm recording on this. So I don't know how good it's going to do. I hope you enjoy it. I'll show you my room. That there on the iWatch is Logitech 9000 Pro webcam. My school required me to have one. So to finish my course, they also require me to have one of these flip cams. So and a regular camcorder as well. So I have all the things I need. Then I could start my ministry. And I won't need to have my divinity degree because I'm going to be on the internet. So that would save me $300. So that's optional, so I am doing this. So welcome to my world. This is John, and I hope you're entertained and informed.